Okay, so here is the control panel. And the machine has 4 modes for filling. First one is wait mode. Second is auto mode. Third is no check mode. And mini adjust mode. First of all, we will try the wait mode. For the wait, before we get started, first press this one to turn on the mixing pedal. And then we put this jar on the scale. And the scale will show the weight of the jar, and we need to press the 0. So it becomes 0. And then, now I will set the filling volume to 80 grams. Press the step pedal, you'll start to fill. See, when the weight becomes 80 grams, the machine will stop filling. I'll try one more time. 这次拍那个。Okay. Let's see, have a look. Okay, then stop. This way is using the scale to for the dosing system to adjust the filling volume. But this way is the slowest filling way, slower than the other mode. And as for the other mode, we'll try now. 你看这个用感就不用跟他说了，不跟他说。Okay, and this is auto mode. The auto mode. Before we use the auto mode, we will remove the scale first. The auto mode means the machine will adjust the filling volume automatically and then use the screw to calculate the filling volume. For example, now if I choose 90 grams, see inside, 再过来看一下，再过来拍一下。Look. There is a screw inside the machine, right? This mode is to use the screw to adjust the filling volume. And the auto mode will adjust this screw automatically to adjust the rotation of the screw automatically. So, first, we need to turn on the mixing pedal first before we use the machine. Okay. Put the jar on the scale first. See, if the volume is not correct, the machine will automatically change the filling volume automatically. This time we'll try 50 grams. See, after I put it on it will automatically adjust the filling volume. But this method is faster than the another one. Than the 那个叫什么来着？
Wait mode.
Yes, the wait mode. Have a look on here. It's faster. After the machine adjusted the filling volume to the correct volume, you don't need to use the scale again to you can just use the machine directly. But if you want to use the scale to check the weight, it's also okay.
再来一次。
拍一下那个，看一下速度。You can see it's much faster than the another one. The third one is no check mode. No check mode means you need to adjust this screw, the rotation of the screw manually. For example, now we will try 3000 and see how much volume it will become.
多好多呀！
It's 57 gram now. So if I want to fill 50 gram, I need to reduce the rotation of the screw. Maybe we'll try 2800 first. Okay. 爆掉了一点，外面。Still a little bit more, then we change again. 2700. $51, $52. Okay, so 倒一下这个。
这里有点，它可能是太多了。
Okay, it's a bit less, so maybe we try. We can also adjust this by this one. So for example, now if I set 50, every time I press this, 50 less, 50 less, 50 more, 50 more. Okay, now let's try 2550. Still a little bit more less, so we'll increase a little bit. Maybe Okay, now it's 50 grams. So this is the manual control method for the filling volume. And this mini adjust mode is for our engineer to adjust the machine. You will not need to use it. So there will be only 3 modes that you will be using. Is the weight mode, which is slower than the other 2 by using the scale to control the filling volume. And this is the auto mode to use the scale automatic control the automatic control the filling volume by this screw. Inside we have a screw inside this hopper to adjust the screw inside of the hopper. And this no check mode is to adjust this screw manually and use the screw to adjust the filling volume. Okay, so test. Also here on this one set, we have a filling speed adjustment. Usually we will use 1000 or 1200 round. It depends on the material. For example, if you are filling a material and we use 1000 RPM and the filling accuracy is 1%, then it means this is okay. If the filling accuracy is more than 100%, 1%, sorry, then you need to adjust this speed slower, maybe 800 or maybe 600. The less RPM, the more accuracy the machine have. but the speed also becomes slower. So you can test it yourself by different material. And this collaboration is to correct the scale when you receive the machine. I will first find the weight first. 诶，砝码去哪里了？
什么东西？
砝码。杜哥，砝码了。哦，找到了。When you receive the machine during the transportation, the accuracy of this scale may change. So you are going to need this one to collaborate the scale. So first of all, this one is 500 grams. We have the weight on the top. So I will put this one on the scale and then input 500 grams and then press collaborate. When it shows system normal, then it means this process is done. Then you can start to do the filling. Start to do the filling on here. The no track mode, weight mode, auto mode. But before everything, first collaborate. Okay, that's all.